iRIMAU is an ecosystem-level supply chain collaborative optimization intelligence platform for the fourth industrial revolution era. It offers a different solution to manufacturing-based supply chain ecosystem, enabling a real end-to-end visibility. It is a supply chain 4.0 solution dedicated to transforming intelligent manufacturing readiness. The main objective of this video is to bring awareness on how the information flow in the present industry-level supply chain vividly weakens the power of information in supply chain decision-making process, and how iRIMAU re-engineers the information flow architecture and amplifies the power of information, and therefore attaining optimal technology business alignment to confront the challenges of the fourth industrial revolution. Let us look at this simple example, a Torchlight maker ecosystem. In this ecosystem, it involves a two-tier supplier, where the second-tier suppliers C1, C2, and C3 supply to the first-tier supplier C. If supplier C3 encounters a downed production line due to certain reasons and is unable to deliver to supplier C on time, the production line of C will subsequently be down too, and followed by the Torchlight maker. As a result, the problem faced by a single company does not only impact its direct line, but also the entire ecosystem. This means that even if supplier A, B, C, D, C1, and C2 can deliver as per scheduled, but due to the problem faced by supplier C3, others may suffer from slow or non-moving stock, occupy unnecessary warehouse space, slow payment due to withholding delivery, or cash flow problem. Bear in mind that in a manufacturing environment, a shortage in any component will cause the entire production line difficulty to proceed its production operations and may result in a downed production line situation if one is unable to swiftly reschedule the production job orders. This situation is one of the critical problems in manufacturing performance management and may cause a loss of thousands to millions in USD per minute. The implication of this example is not merely limited to a downed production line, thus suffers from monetary loss. Another less obvious but concrete implication is that both Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers produce unnecessary stock. The immediate problem is how to dispose these unnecessary stocks. This terrible situation in the present industry-level supply chain ecosystem information flow is naturally resulted from the way how it has been architected. This kind of information flow architecture is called linear to echelon, whereby it is a kind of century-old information flow since the history of business activities. iRIMAU re-engineers the present information flow of linear to echelon model to a ring-based model architecture. In iRIMAU, a piece of information is circulated within the ring repeatedly, where only the designated recipients can interact with this piece of information and enable a comprehensive view of it at the industry-level ecosystem. As such, iRIMAU can remove the barriers of the information flow, additionally enable the information to revert to its source of origin to perform ecosystem-wide validation and optimization. What essentially makes iRIMAU so unique and powerful? It is by re-architecting the typical and traditional information flow from linear to echelon to ring-based. The most significant contribution iRIMAU can bring to the industry is the ability to break through information flow barriers within a complex nexus supply chain ecosystem. A supply chain represents multi-tier customer-supplier relationships beginning from natural resources encountering the flow of information, material, and money before reaching an end consumer or industry consumer. A supply chain ecosystem is not a single chain, but it is a complex nexus network of connecting the dots.